Here are 10 steps you can take to increase your credit score. Pay all of your bills on time. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score. Make sure to pay all of your bills, including credit card payments, on time. Reduce your credit card balances. Credit utilization, which is the amount of credit you are using compared to your credit limit, can affect your credit score. Try to pay down your credit card balances to below 30% of your credit limit. Don't apply for new credit unnecessarily. Every time you apply for credit, it can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Try to avoid applying for new credit unless it is absolutely necessary. Dispute any errors on your credit report. If you find any errors on your credit report, such as incorrect information about your payment history or personal information, dispute them with the credit bureau. Consider a secured credit card. If you have a limited credit history or a low credit score, a secured credit card may be a good option for you. With a secured credit card, you will need to provide a security deposit, which will be used as your credit limit. By using a secured credit card responsibly, you can improve your credit score over time. Use a mix of credit types. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, a mortgage, and a car loan, can improve your credit score. Keep your credit accounts open. Closing old credit accounts can shorten your credit history, which can have a negative impact on your credit score. If you have old accounts that you no longer use, consider keeping them open and using them occasionally to help maintain a longer credit history. Use your credit cards responsibly. Only charge what you can afford to pay off each month, and try to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. Don't open too many new credit accounts at once. Opening too many new credit accounts in a short period of time can be a red flag to creditors and may lower your credit score. Check your credit report regularly. It's a good idea to check your credit report regularly to make sure there are no errors or fraudulent activity. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once per year at www.annualcreditreport.com.